Our Hiligaynon word for the day is babaye. Babaye. When we say babaye, that means woman or female. Babaye. When we say ido nga babaye, that means a female dog. Ido is dog and babaye is female, so female dog, ido nga babaye. Karnero nga babaye. So a karnero is a sheep and babaye is female, so that's a female sheep. Karniro nga babaye. Kabayo nga babaye. A kabayo is a horse, so kabayo nga babaye, that's a female horse. Ang mga babaye mapigaw. Ang mga babaye mapigaw. That means women are weak. Ang mga babaye mapigaw. Daw babaye siya. Daw babaye siya. That means he is like a woman or unmanly. Daw babaye siya. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, babaye. Babaye. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.